Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable the quality filter on the X app, so you can see all your notifications without any limits. If you've noticed that some notifications aren't coming through or you want to make sure you don't miss anything important, turning off this filter is the way to go. First, open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon, usually located at the top left or right corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will open a menu with several options. From there, find and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, within the Settings menu, scroll down and select Notifications. This section controls what notifications you receive and how they appear. After tapping Notifications, look for an option labeled Filters and select it. In the Filters menu, you will see the Quality Filter option. This filter aims to remove lower quality or less relevant notifications, but it can sometimes block notifications you want to see. To disable it, toggle the switch off so that the filter is no longer active. Once the quality filter is turned off, you will start receiving your notifications in their full, unfiltered form. This means you'll see everything, including notifications that may have been previously hidden or filtered out. Keep in mind that disabling this filter may increase the number of notifications you get, so be prepared for a busier Notifications tab. You can always revisit these steps if you decide you want to turn the quality filter back on later. By following these simple steps, you gain full control over your notification experience on X, ensuring you never miss out on important updates or interactions. Thanks for watching.